Are you having trouble on SIM not supported on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can simply fix this issue. So the very first thing is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, move into general and then head over to about. In this page, scroll down and look for carrier lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, then you should be good to go. But if it says SIM restrictions, then it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. Once done, now go back and then head over to your home page. Simply restart the device, tap and hold the assistive touch and then click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. If not, once again head over to general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and click on reset network settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then click on reset network settings. After that, you should be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.